Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to add your email address to your Linktree, and it's pretty simple to do. You can add it as a social icon, or I believe as a button too. We're gonna try that too. So first of all, you go to your Linktree. If you haven't already, definitely log into or sign up if you haven't, if you don't have a Linktree. And now here on appearance, as you can see right here on links, you can add links like these ones, but as an email is not a link, we're gonna go and to the appearance section, and as you can see right here, there's a button add social icon, so I'm just gonna click on that. And here you can choose to position it at the top or at the bottom of the page, so let's leave it on top. Now let's click on add icon, and right here you can see an email option. So there's no other similar options, so we're just gonna click on email, and you will enter your email address. So let's write it down. So you just basically write down your email address. I just wrote nothing much. And when you add it, as you can see, here's a button to your email address. And when you click on it, it's gonna open on, of course, people will use it on their phones. So it will automatically go to Gmail or to some other mail apps. So that's that. You can also add like an Etsy store or YouTube channel, and all of them will appear right here. So that's it, guys. That's how you add your email to your Linktree. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.